Alright guys, we're at the end of O'Brien Creek here, and I brought my bike with me to Chitina, so we're gonna go explore the trails here. There's a big hill coming up. Holy smoke. I got a bad knee, guys, so my left knee's really hurt from something yesterday. And I also have my I also got my sidearm with me, so I'm packing a lot of stuff for this bike trip. The reason why I got my sidearm, because we're in bear country. And then I also carry my drone. I brought my drone with me in my backpack here, so we're gonna get some drone shots. It's quite beautiful out here, guys. My bad knee, man. So I'm out here in Chitina, and my charter doesn't start till tomorrow. And also dip netting is closed till tomorrow, so we're just gonna kill some time and explore. This is the trail here. This is the O'Brien Creek trail. So some people that fish down by the shore, and there's also people that hike this trail. There's people that bring their nets in their trail, or they ride the ATV. And then the river's on the Copper River's on the left-hand side of us, and they'll climb down to the banks, and they'll dip net that way. So that's one or the other way. But for me, I'd rather just take the charter. $200 to have you drop you off, and they come back and pick you up later. You know, this is a nice road. Oh, I can't go fast, guys, because my knees. I don't know what happened to my knee. I just sunk into my knee last night. So we're just gonna be cruising. O'Brien Creek. My homegirl Reed, she says that at the end of this road there's a nice waterfall, so that's the biggest reason why I brought my drone. And a reason why I want to go check it out. So pretty excited to see what's at the end of this road. I'm not sure how long it is too, but we got all day, guys. All day. Check this out, guys. Whew, this is nice. Set the bike right here real quick. You guys see that? This is the Copper River. Dangerous highway, man. Dangerous river. Wow. Look at that. There's a little trail right here. It looks like people go down here. If there's anything cool, I'll go ahead and record. If not, I'll just gonna shut the camera off. Just to save memory and stuff. Ah! My bike. Alright guys, we got some sign right here. Road closed. This road, an area close to all persons. This area is unstable and can cause death. Let's go check it out. I believe that though, shit. There's 2 landslides over here from what I heard, so we're gonna go around it or walk around it. It's pretty crazy, man. Nobody knows that I'm down here. Woo! Gorgeous though. Gorgeous out here. Wow, look at the view, man. The view on the left hand side is Copper River. Just so freaking magnificent. I wish I wasn't carrying so much stuff, man. My gun and my heavy backpack here, so I can go faster. And I don't want to go crazy because I got my drone. I don't want to damage it, so we're just gonna take it easy, I guess. Oh. Gotta make some noise. Woo, 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 woo! No beer, please, no beers. I don't want to see bears today. I don't want to see any moose. Only salmon. All right, look at this landslide. Oh, this is the first landslide, I think. Damn. That thing's gnarly. Alright, we're gonna walk it just to be safe. See that? Dude, my green Toyota truck will crawl right over this stuff here. This would be so fun to go off-roading right here. Oh yeah, my truck will go right over this. My green beast. My green beast will handle this like nothing. All right. This is some really beautiful rock. This is like slate rock. I think that's the first. All right. Wow, check out this view, guys. Holy smoke. Look at this view, man. You guys see what I see? Hold on, I can't get too close to the edge. Wow. Look at this view here, guys. Unbelievable. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. Freaking gorgeous, man. So when the charter company takes you, they drop you off like on these banks here, but they go further down than this trail here, so you have a better chance because they drop you off where nobody's at. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but man, this is gorgeous. Wow. I'm not sure how far in we're at. Oh damn. I got some incline. So ATVs can't make it out here, guys, if you have an ATV. Not side by side though. Woo! Windy out here too. Not too much wind, but a nice little breeze to keep myself cool, so not too bad. It's like cloudy, sunny, and windy, so perfect riding weather. This is a really nice trail, or trail, road, whatever you want to call it. I think back then cars used to be able to come back over here, but then I guess they must have closed it or something. Yeah, it's really nice. Woo! Oh, I see a boat. There's a boat down there, charter boat. Man, there's a shoreline right there. It's crazy. All right, guys, going downhill. I also just put new brake pads on before I left here. So I got new brake pads, so I'm still breaking them in, so I gotta go easy on the brakes. Yeah, this is a freaking steep hill, yo. Coming up, it's gonna be a sucker. Oh, damn, do you guys see this? This is nice. This is nice, man. Wherever we're at, oh, this is freaking gorgeous. Where are we? You guys see this structure here? You guys see this little wood structure? I'm not sure what it is. It's like an old bridge or something. It's pretty nice, actually. All right, I'm not sure how far we're gonna be going in, but I haven't seen a waterfall yet, so until we see a waterfall, we're not turning back. I just wish my knee wasn't messed up, man. I feel like I got no horsepower on my left knee. Only my right knee's working. Oh, this is some incline. Woo! I'm gonna walk this, guys. All right, guys, I see a little waterfall here. This can't be it right here. No, that can't be it. That's not magnificent enough. That's just like a little runoff waterfall. All right, I'm not sure how long it is, but we're gonna keep on trucking. Keep on pedaling. This road's nice though. Haven't seen any critters yet. No birds, no moose, no bears, nothing. Just a few little small birds here and there. Woo! It's so cool, but so kind of scary. Like, you guys can't let your guard down, because again, we're in bear country and I don't know how many bears are around this area. Woo! Woo! Fish! Where's all the fish? All right, guys, we're still traveling. I saw one ATV pass me, or he didn't pass me, but he passed me going back where I came from. So I didn't talk to them or anything, and they didn't look like they had nets or anything. So they must have been just out here riding, having fun or something. All right, so this is now a ATV road. It's not big enough for cars or anything like that. It's only big enough for ATVs and side-by-side. But man, it is gorgeous. We are like literally right on top of the Copper River. It's like a 200 feet drop, and if I fall in there, I'm pretty much gone forever. Dangerous, man. That river scares me. It doesn't scare me, but man, you have to respect that river, man. A lot of folks have that river have taken a lot of lives, fishermen and people, you know. So you gotta be super respectful of that river, man. I did bring my life jacket this time. Last year when I was doing my first time, I didn't have the life jacket, but I brought my life jacket this time. Oh, bumpy. All right, let's see. Keep on going. Check this out, guys. There's a little house right here. Damn. This must have been like a this is really nice. Imagine you're stuck out here, man. You can use this as shelter. Really nice. 2014, 2019. This is dope. I'm assuming this place used to be like a gold mine or something, where it has all these little places. That's a little nice place to camp. Bring all your camping gear and just camp in there for the night and go fishing. All right, there's a little lake right here. Man. Oh. Man, how far are we at? How far until this trail ends? Who knows, man? I looked on my map and it didn't tell me too much. Let's keep on going. Oh, I see a tent. There's a tent out here, guys. Somebody's camping out here. There's a tent. You guys see that? Woo! That's creepy. All right. Who's camping out here? Oh, we got some ATVs out here. See that? ATVs. You guys catch anything? Gotcha. How long have you guys been camping out here? Nice. Have you guys been all the way down here before?
Oh yeah, we've been here before.
Where's the waterfall? I heard there's a waterfall.
I'm not sure. I haven't been that far down the trail.
Oh yeah? All right, good luck. So some couples are there. That's very nice. Ride your ATV, camp out here. Get away from everybody. Oh, there's another camping spot right here. There's another gentleman here camping. Wow. Interesting. How you guys doing? Good. All right, check out this view here, guys. Check out this view. Whoa, don't go over, bro. Whoa. Look at that, man. Unbelievable. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's crazy, man. I'm gonna take a few steps back. All right. All right, guys, we gotta get over these rocks. Holy smoke. Too much rocks. So I guess this is the landslide. This is the landslide, I think here. This is freaking gnarly. All right. See how far I can. Oh, I'm exhausted. Woo! Man, we're going really far. At least there's people out here, guys. There's people out here, so that makes me feel a little bit safer. Wow, look at this view again, man. Gorgeous and gorgeous, man. So freaking crazy. Oh, break time. Look at this view. Woo! Look how deep that is, man. You guys see that? Wow. Crazy. We just arrived here. Not the waterfall, but this is the tunnel that my girl, she was telling me about. My friend, she told me that we're gonna go through this tunnel where it's carved out, and look at it, it's right there. That's crazy. I gotta take some photo and then we'll ride through it. That's crazy. We're gonna ride through this tunnel, man. Freaking gnarly. Yo, this tunnel is sick. Hello? Hello? Woo! Oh, this is so gnarly, dude. It's so cold in here, man. I can't see nothing. I can only see the light at the end of that tunnel, man. This is freaking gnarly, yo. Holy shit. Dude, I can't see nothing in front of me, man. Oh. Hello? Hello? Woo! Oh, it looks brighter when you're out now. Look at that, man. It's crazy that mankind could carve through these mountains, man. Imagine that, dude. I bet you there's a bunker inside a mountain right now, man. Top secret stuff we don't know about. I believe in those stuff. I'm not sure about you guys, but man, you guys just saw that. There's a freaking tunnel and that mountain. If mankind can do that, we can do so much more, man. That's scary. It's scary, but it's super amazing at the same time. Okay, so we're getting closer, I guess, because my friend Reese said that you're gonna go through this tunnel through the mountain, and then after that you keep going for a while, and then you'll see a freaking waterfall. So we're just gonna keep going to the end. Maybe when I come back I'll fly my drone through that tunnel or something. Who knows? All right, let's keep going. So I see another ATV out here. Guess I'm not alone. I'm not alone. 2 ATVs out here. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. They went down there to go fish, I bet. They're not supposed to be fishing yet. Not till midnight, they say. Or 6 a.m. or something. I'm not in a rush. I got all day tomorrow. All day, bro. Oh man, this wind really feels great, man. I was gonna wear my sweater. There's another ATV right here. Oh, jeez. They got a small net. I wanna talk to them, see where they're at. Hello? Is anybody there? Pretty deep in there. All right, so this is the other landslide right here, I think. Holy shit, this is the end of the road, guys. Holy shit. All right, so this is the second landslide that my girl was talking about. She said that you have to park your vehicle and then walk. So since we're on a bike, we can just bike through it. But we gotta be very careful, dude. No mistakes on this trip, guys. Oh, it's pretty steep. I think I'm gonna walk the bike. If I didn't have all this gear with me and I didn't have a bad need. Oh damn, this landslide is gnarly. All right, let's go. Let's go. We gotta be very careful, guys. The thing is that when you're out here by yourself and nobody knows where you're at, you got to be on super cautious, man. You can't be reckless or you can't be doing anything stupid because there's also no service out here too. So I think the waterfall's right there. I see something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I think that's it, man. Wow, we're gonna drone this baby. Oh yeah, this is it. Is it? Woo! Oh, this is it right here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, there's people out here. Oh, I feel safe. Wow. Hello. How you guys doing? Good. Wow. This is the waterfall, guys. Check it out. Let's put the bike away and then let's go get some close-up shots. Jeez. I wonder what this creek is right here. It's called. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let me park the bike, man. I gotta make sure the bike's nicely parked. All right, let's go down there. It's pretty safe to come down. Gotta watch our steps. Woo! Wow. I wonder how cold it is. How cold is the water? Oh, it's pretty warm actually. Wow. Whoa, 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 can't get wet. Pretty warm weather. Nice and cold. We'll get the drone out in a bit here and get you guys some shots of the aerial. Man, look at that. The water's so clear too. Oh, really clear. Look at that. It goes back to this wood thingy here. I'm not sure what that is, but oh, I wonder if there's any gold here. No, no gold. Man, this is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. right, guys, we're gonna head back to our campground. I took lots of photos and lots of video of the of this waterfall, this area here. We're gonna go to the campground, go rest. Maybe we'll go talk to some people down there by the campground and see how it is. Get some rest, get all my gear ready, and start slaying some salmon tomorrow. I only brought one drone battery. The rest of it's at my car, so I have 30% left. So I'm gonna try to get some drone shots of that tunnel. All right, guys, we're back at the tunnel here. I got 2 ATVs up there, so I'm gonna let them go through first. Whew. I don't think I'm gonna get any drone shots of this. It's really hard to get a drone shot, and it's not hard, it's just that it's so dark in it, it wouldn't look good anyways. We'll just ride our bike through it. Woo! I'm following the ATV lights. Can't see too much. I see a big rock in front of me coming up. Wow. Oh man. Pretty cool, man. It's so dark. Can you guys see anything? I see the light at the tunnel. This is like a quarter mile long, I think. All right. Woo. Don't want to get too dirty. I bought some mud flats for my bike here, but they're not here yet. They're still on order from Amazon. So pretty soon I'll have some mud flats and I won't be getting so dirty and wet when I go through puddles and waters and stuff. Taking a quick break here. Found this little nice boulder with a nice little edge right here. We're literally like feet away from the drop. It's like a 200 feet drop down to the Copper River. But we have a beautiful view right here. Hopefully you guys can see it right there. And it's just nice and peaceful, guys. Nice and peaceful. This is what I love about traveling and just going on adventure in Alaska. Is just being able to just come out here in nature, sit with nature, and just enjoy the beautiful view, man. It's so gorgeous out here.